So today I'm at North Bucks Machining in Newport Pagnell. I've come to meet with Stewart Palmer. He's got another Quasar machine here which he bought recently from the Engineering Technology Group. Good morning, Stewart. Sorry to interrupt you. What are you reading there?
I'm reading your magazine, MTD show issue.
Oh, right. Okay, that come through your door today.
It did indeed, yes.
Okay, and what do you think of it?
It's very good, very informative.
Yeah.
A lot of articles preparing us to see who's at Mac and what to look out for at the show.
Great, I say. So he's looking at our magazine. Unbelievable. Did you actually use the QR codes on here as well? Have you seen those and how they work?
Yeah, I have indeed. They're very easy to click on and take you straight to the video.
Because you don't actually need to purchase or not purchase, even download the app anymore. You literally put your camera over top of the QR code and it plays a video.
Yeah, that's correct, yeah.
Yeah. So will you be going to the Mac show?
We will indeed, yeah.
All right, and you get a lot of publications here, all kinds of publications. Marks out of 10 for this one, and is it better than any of the others?
I'd say, yeah, 10 out of 10. Yeah, very informative, nice articles. Yeah, good.
Better than the others?
Better than the others.
Excellent.